Explain how transfer pricing works and what was done in the audit.
In the case of transfer pricing in particular, there is often a range within which the answer can fall, because what you're looking at here is a judgment about what is the value of something.
You look at comparable companies, and there's usually a range, of companies that make sense as far as the profit amount to show. Transfer pricing rules require you to look at what would a third party get for those services. So they're looking at our comparables that we used in doing our tax return. They may be arguing about, well, is that the right comparable? Maybe they should have another comparable in that process. We're arguing about what is the right profit to show.
So the heart of the question is, what are the activities, and what's the right profit on those activities? And
I think the two key areas in an inquiry like this are, first of all, establishing the facts of what goes on in the different jurisdictions, the activities that are carried on and the assets that are located there year by year, then looking for comparable data using the different methodologies. Once you've established the facts, the kind of discussion that you have is about what value add is created by activities, what kind of remuneration those activities get on an arm's length basis in the market, which transfer pricing methodologies are the relevant methodologies to apply, and if you look at several of them, what ranges do they give? What we have in transfer pricing OECD guidelines is a number of different methodologies that you can apply in determining the transfer price. But ultimately, in transfer pricing, there will be a range within which a transfer price.
I think it's just fair to get that on the record, that it is not an exact.
It's not how the process works.
But you're saying that the process was opaque and confusing through those 6 years, and yet at the end.
didn't say that.
Well, you did. You said it's very complex and there's different regimes.
The tax rules are very complicated.